So welcome back to SGUT TV. I'm Gilbert, and if you like what I do, remember, hit that bell notification and hit subscribe. So this week has been a real crazy week really. We're getting loads of stuff happening with the underground gym in New Haven, so Underground 2. The planning got approved, life's good, and we're moving forward. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you a couple of workouts. One is a youth workout, which I did with Boston. This is something that can be taken into your own home. You could do this in the garden. You know, as you'll see what I do with Boston, it's 6 minutes, and we're literally just going flat out for 6 minutes. So the beautiful thing about the 6 minute workout is that you can add it on. So if you do one block, 6 minutes, rest for a minute, then you can do another block, rest for a minute, and then do another block. So you can kind of gauge it around the Moto time that you're doing. So most of the kids like Boston and the Nationals are doing 18 minutes, so we would do 3 rounds of that. People like Mel and sort of the more pro riders, the MX2 riders, they're going for 32, 35 minutes as well. So they might be ending up doing sort of like five blocks of that. But anyway, it's a great little workout. Then I come into the gym and I do a session with Ethan. So Ethan works on boxing, as you probably know. So we have to generate a lot of force, explosive power, and you know, I like to work the legs, and so we do some front squats. And then we went into a lovely little single leg step up and followed off by the hip mill, the new piece of kit from Star Trek. So check this out and see if you can add this to your game. Remember, if you're down in Brighton, this kind of area, you're always welcome to come down to Underground Gym, drop me a message, you know what I mean, I'll give you a free pass and get involved. So this weekend we've got Milton Mauser, where we're going to be riding for East Anglia. It's going to be a real cool meeting. It's a 2-day meeting, so hopefully Boston will do good, and all the rest of the guys there will have a great, safe racing. So anyway, catch up with me after the weekend, and I'll let you know how it got on. So remember, any questions, message me, drop a list in your comment box down below, and we can go from there. All right, stay safe. Go. So the idea of this, we're just literally trying to keep his tempo high. This is a little bit of a warm-up one first off, but after the first block he'll start to get a little bit tired. As you see, he's doing the shuttle runs, he's touching the floor, so he's accessing legs, getting the legs working, and we're making sure that we're working both sides. Okay, good. Into your hover squats. So these are little partial squats, just replicating as if he was just standing up on the seat. Good, just going for 20 reps here, boss. Okay, good. We're going to go straight into our first block now, which is 20 seconds burpees. 3, 2, 1, and go. Down and clap at the top. There we go. 1. Halfway, boss. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, rest 10 seconds. So check it out. Okay, get ready in 5 seconds, go for the plank. Okay, let's go. Keep the back nice and tight, core nice and tight. Down, up, hold, down, up, good, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 2 more, down, up, down, good, back up, rest. Okay, now we're going to go straight into on his back. He's going to be working elbows to knees, so lay down on the mat, boss. And temples, elbows to the thighs. 3, 2. Come on, keep working, keep working, keep working. Keep working. 3, 2, 1, and time. Okay, good. Take a drink. We'll do some walking lunges all the way down, all the way back. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Finish off. Big lunges, lunge. Okay, so Boston's just finished that, so we're going to finish this off now with some speed work. So we're going to be doing 10 sets of sprints. He's just going to be working diagonal in the garden. This is just to generate a little bit more power and just get his heart and lungs working a little bit more. So here we go, let's check it out. Marks, set, go! It's 10 sessions over and done with. Quite tough that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Especially when you sort of stick lunges in first. So guys and girls, you know, go out there, try, you know, do some lunges, pre-exhaust the legs. That's what we're talking about, is like pre-exhausting by doing stuff like lunges and squats, and then maybe going for a run or something. You're fatiguing the muscle, and then you're just going to try and push it a little bit further and everything else by utilising your body weight. So that's what we've just done today to build up a little bit of leg strength and a bit of fitness. Okay, so I'm with Ethan today. We're going to be doing a bit of a boxing session. We're going to work on some power. We're going to be working some front squats into some single leg bench jumps, and then we're going to go straight onto the hip mill, and then we're going to work a bit of an upper body workout as well. So we're going to do some unilateral flyers into some bench press, into some cable rotations, and then finish off with some seated landmine prowlers. So let's go check this out. You excited about this, Ethan?
Yeah.
Doesn't look too excited, does he? But anyway, let's go.